Hello everyone. What if you could show 4 videos at the same time, clean, perfectly aligned, and in just a few minutes? In this tutorial, I'll show you the easiest and most professional way to do it in Premiere Pro. No plugins needed. Let's get started. First of all, I create a sequence. In the Settings tab, I set the time code to 30 frames per second. I set the frame size to 1920 by 1080, which is also ideal for publishing videos on YouTube. Finally, I click OK. Alright, now let's create a rectangle. In the Properties panel, I disable Fill and enable Stroke. I set the stroke value to 10 and change its type to inner. If needed, we can also change the stroke color and choose any color we like. I think white works best. A bit further down, I set the exact size of the rectangle. I set the vertical to 960 and the horizontal to 540. Now, using the Align option, I place the rectangle in the top left corner. Next, I select the rectangle layer and press Ctrl+C to create a copy. I select the new shape and place it on the right side. To make sure the rectangle snaps correctly into place, go to the View menu and enable Snap in Program Monitor. This way, the shape will automatically snap to the edges or corners of the sequence. Now I select both shape layers and press Ctrl+C to create 2 more copies. Then, using the Selection tool, I move the new rectangles to the bottom and adjust them. This way, we've successfully divided the screen into sections. In the timeline, I place the rectangle layers on the topmost track so I can later position the videos underneath these frames. Now it's time to bring the videos into the timeline in order. It's better to remove all audio layers so the sounds don't overlap, or you can keep just one audio track. We can also remove all audio and add background music instead. To remove the audio layers, I select the clips and click Unlink so the audio separates from the video, then I delete the audio tracks. I import the next video into the timeline. To make the project more consistent, I scale all the video layers to the same size. Except for the first video, I hide the rest of the clips so I can focus only on it. From the Properties panel, I set the video scale to 50%. I lock all videos except the first one to avoid selecting them by mistake. Now I can easily select the video and place it in the top left corner. After positioning the first video correctly, I lock it and move on to the next one, setting its scale to 50% as well. I place this clip in the top right corner. I repeat the same process again. I open the next video, set its scale to 50%, and place it in the bottom left corner. For the last video, I do the same. Since this clip is slightly smaller, I adjust its size manually until it fits properly. Great, now you can see that all the videos are perfectly placed in their positions. To make the result a bit more visually appealing, I changed the color of one of the rectangles to green. Also, don't forget to match the size of the rectangle layers with the videos. I zoom in on the preview and press play so you can see the final result. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thanks for liking the video. See you in the next one. Goodbye for now.